grandfather.
So hello everyone. Today unboxing this for my wife. It's her birthday present. It's a dragonfly glass bird bath with a solar stand. Here's a picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's done. So when we'll open it up, see what it looks like, see exactly what we have. So let's open it up first. It's got your basic styrofoam, your glass bowl, which is encased in styrofoam. So we want to see the design of the bowl. This is glass, once again, we'll make sure. So if you look at it, here's your dragonfly coming up to your flower. Feels probably weighs about 2 pounds, so it's not cheap thin glass. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. So, but if it gets knocked over, it might still break. So you gotta be careful with it. So your stand will come out. Looks like this. And that was your, this is your solar. So it has an on-off switch on the back. And I'm assuming what we do here is we're just going to open it up. It's pretty straightforward. Your solar stand, this rotates, goes around. So you'll turn this on. So it's on there. See? It kicks on and off. It's not charged. It's not been outside, so it will charge as we use it. I'm assuming it's also light activated. Yep, see? Make it dark, it'll come on. So at nighttime, what this is going to do is it gets night, it'll have a light that'll come on like this and it'll shine up through the bird bath. So we'll make sure we have these even, squared out. So it's going to sit like this, and at nighttime, this will come on and make a light. I don't know if you can see it through the top here, but it'll be like that, and this will light up. And you'll be able to see it through your water. So it will, I guess the birds can see at night, but I don't think they come out. See if I can get it to come out and show you. There. You can see the lights here. There's 3 green and 3 purple. And it'll come up through here and shine on the light and make your light through your water. So it's not a huge bird bath, but she got one, I think last year. That's a bigger one. So this will give her another one to put wherever she's going to put it. So we're going to go move this and put it out in the yard, and we'll show you what it's going to look like in the yard.
So dito namin linagay yung bird bath. Yun yung isa na dati. Bigay din ni mother-in-law. Ganyan katangkad. Yung isang mas matangkad. Ganyan. May nagmo-mower kasi. Night siya sa gabi. Ganyan ah. Pero hindi ko alam kung mas malakas pa ito. Kasi hindi pa na-charge masyado kasi afternoon pa namin lang na-unbox. Yan siya. So yan paggabi, may ilaw siya. So at least nakikita mo na may ilaw dyan. Yan na siya. Yun yung solar. Tapos pag may tubig siya or yun, magre-reflect doon. Yung bird. kukunin natin itong mga natumba-tumba na mga na flower at ilalagay natin sa flower vase. Maraming natumba kasi nga umulan kahapon at ilalagay natin sa flower vase. Ito ay Coreopsis delphinium and yan. Delphinium and Coreopsis chastadaisy. Ikasap natin yan para hindi masayang na nakambusay dyan. Ito yung Coreopsis. Kunin na natin itong Coreopsis. Tapos itong delphinium. Itong kulay ganyan. Ito ay ganito ang kulay niya. Tapos itong isa ay pink. Ay pink. Yan. Sukat natin white dyan. Kukunin natin yan. May white. Kukunin natin ang white na yan. White na kinuha ko. Yan na siya. Ito yung natumba yan. Marami pang hindi naman natumba. Kaya lang ito may natumba. So kukunin natin yon. Meron din doon. Natumba din doon. So, kunin natin ang mga yan. Natumba. Dalhin natin sa kabila. Daan ko na gagawin yung pag-fix. Bulaklak na nakuha natin. Yan. At yan. Chastadaisy. Coreopsis delphinium. At ilalagay natin dyan sa flower vase na yan. So, yan na siya. Ayan. Cool. Ayan. Beautiful flower.